Once again.
James here from Raleigh Totals. If you've got a TDI VW, could be this Passat here, or 2 litre TDI VW Crafter like we've got here, any of those similar vans or cars, anything fitted with a TDI engine from VW, and you've got the fault code P0016 Crankshaft position Camshaft correlation. We've spent some time going through a few of these cars, and the second one we fixed this week has been down to this. It is the crankshaft gear pulley. So it's on the cam belt. And if you look inside here, that little bit of wear on the edge, and in the center there of where the flat line is, it's swollen, and you can see the indent there on that side, so it causes it to move a little bit. So if it moves the tiny amount on the inside, it's going to move into that indent, and obviously because the wheel is bigger, the small movement on the inside is a bigger movement on the outside of the wheel here, so it's going to move it at half a turn, and it's going to be out by half a turn, or half a toot, and that would trigger off that fault. Yeah, so like I said, that's the second one we've changed. We've changed 2 of them, and it's always been that problem with any VW TDI camshaft or crankshaft correlation.